Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: what exactly happens to your body when you eat 2 eggs every day? Eggs are a staple in diets worldwide, but there are plenty of myths and truths about their impact on our health. Let's crack into the science and see what changes you might expect. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with high-quality protein, vitamins, and essential minerals. But what happens when they become a daily part of your diet? 1. Improved cholesterol profile. First up, let's talk cholesterol. Contrary to old beliefs, recent studies show that for most people, consuming eggs daily can actually improve your cholesterol profile by increasing levels of good HDL cholesterol without significantly affecting LDL cholesterol levels. 2. Enhance brain function. Eggs are one of the best dietary sources of choline, a nutrient that's vital for brain health. Eating 2 eggs a day can support brain function and contribute to better memory and mood. 3. Stronger eyesight. Thanks to lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants found in eggs, incorporating 2 eggs daily into your diet can help strengthen your eyesight and combat age-related vision decline. 4. Increased metabolic rate. Eggs can boost your metabolism, thanks to their high protein content. This helps in burning more calories throughout the day, which can be beneficial for weight management. 5. Enhance skin and hair health. The vitamins and minerals in eggs do wonders for your skin and hair. Regular consumption helps to build strong hair and improve skin elasticity. So, eating 2 eggs a day can bring a multitude of benefits, from boosting your brain and heart health to enhancing your physical appearance. But it's important to consider the rest of your diet too for balanced nutrition. Thanks for watching. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more healthy eating tips. Have questions or want to share your experiences with eating eggs daily? Drop a comment below. Until next time, stay healthy and keep enjoying those eggs.